dioxide is produced during aerobic respiration. Aerobic respiration is said at a type of respiration which uses oxygen. Breakdown of glucose in presence of oxygen, we call it aerobic respiration. How do you interpret this experiment? How do you interpret this experiment? The air comes from atmosphere. When it comes like this, it finds sodium hydroxide. The function of sodium hydroxide is to remove carbon dioxide from that air which has come in. It removes carbon dioxide. So this air, when it passes here in this liquid, this tube must be in while this one must be up. It means that this air will pass here and then the carbon dioxide will be removed from that air. So it will be having other components including oxygen without carbon dioxide. So it continues like this and then it comes here in the second tube of tube B. The function of this test tube or this tube, it has lime water. What is the function of this lime water? Is to show whether this air has carbon dioxide or has no carbon dioxide. Because the carbon dioxide has been absorbed here, so this lime water must remain colorless. If it turns milky, it means that this air which passes here, yes, to continue like this, it still has carbon dioxide. But if it remains colorless, then it means that this air has no carbon dioxide. So the first tube is to absorb carbon dioxide. Then the second tube is just an indicator that this air has no carbon dioxide because the carbon dioxide has been absorbed here. So this air continues like this, then it comes here. When it comes here, it will be having other components, including oxygen, nitrogen, and other gases, including oxygen. Now, this snail is going to breathe in the oxygen and then it's going to release out carbon dioxide during respiration. So when it takes in oxygen and then it releases carbon dioxide, now this air is going to go like this. Yes. Once it comes here, it will find this another tube containing lime water. This tube will turn milky. Why? Because carbon dioxide, or it will turn milky. Why? Because carbon dioxide has been released by this living tissue or living organism, and then that carbon dioxide will turn this lime water milky. So once it turns milky, we will confirm that this tissue, this carbon dioxide, was obtained from this living tissue. Why? Because this air which passed here, this lime water remained colorless, which indicates that the carbon dioxide which turned this lime water milky was from this living organism. So now this air continues and then goes out. So we can ask you, we can hide what is the function of test tube B? What's the function of lime water in test tube B? What's the function of lime water in test tube D? What is the function of this? So we can hide and then with some parts and then ask you some question. So what's the function of this is to absorb carbon dioxide from the air, the incoming air. What's the function of this? Indicate whether this incoming air has carbon dioxide or not. What's the function of this? This is where the experiment is taking place, and then this one produces carbon dioxide. The carbon dioxide produced during respiration is being detected by this lime water, that the air which is coming out has carbon dioxide. So this lime water will turn milky. This one will remain colorless, while this one will absorb the carbon dioxide. That's how you can explain that experiment. So here is the method. Use a small organism. We can choose any organisms, rat, whatsoever. Then sterilize the equipment so that no microorganisms can influence the results, because microorganisms can produce carbon dioxide during anaerobic respiration or during aerobic respiration, depends. So so we sterilize them so that we kill them. Place the snail in the large jar as you saw it, and then they set up the apparatus, make sure that the test tube are tightly sealed so that there is no incoming air from the external part. Then examine the test tubes the following day and record what? The results. We say test tube B, lime water remains clear. Why? Because remember we said that the test tube A will absorb the carbon dioxide which is there. So then carbon dioxide is removed by soda lime, yes, or sodium hydroxide. That is in test tube 1. or test tube A. Then test tube D, lime water turns milky due to the carbon dioxide produced by the snail. This is what I've been trying to explain here, that it will turn milky because of the carbon dioxide produced here. And then this one remain clear because carbon dioxide is absorbed here. Yes. So it shows that the incoming air is very clean from carbon dioxide. So conclusion, how do you conclude? We say that carbon dioxide is produced during aerobic respiration by living organisms. So basically, that's it. That's what you need to know about that experiment.